Level 6, Unit 4, multiplication by 4 and 6. In Unit 4.1, we have our multiplication table of 4 that we're looking at. And as with every other number we've looked at up to this point, it's basically a pattern that you are repeating. If I have one group of 4, the answer is 4. If I have two groups of 4, the answer is 8, because I'm adding 4 together twice. If I have three groups of 4, the answer is 12, because I'm adding 4 together 3 times. And again, you can see that basically our pattern in our answers is that we are increasing by 4 each time. Let's look at example A. 4 times 4. If I have 4 groups of 4, whether you need to add together the 4 groups or just use your table, my answer is going to be 16. Example B. 4 times what number equals 36? How many times would I have to add 4's together in order to reach 36? You can use your table to help you, but you eventually see that you have to add them together 9 times. Unit 4.2, continuing to multiply by 4. Example A, 4 times 3. If I have 3 groups of 4, how many would that give me? That would give me 12. Unit 4.3. Here we have our multiplication table of 6. Again, you can see the patterns that are formed by multiplying by each of the numbers. 6 times 1 is an answer of 6. 6 times 2 means we're adding together 2 6's for an answer of 12. 6 times 3 means we are adding together 3 6's for an answer of 18. Memorizing these facts is one thing that you will need to work on. Example A, 6 times 6. If I add together 6 groups of 6's, then how much do I have? You add them up, you end up getting 36. Let's look at example B. 6 times what number equals 60? So how many times would I have to add the 6's together before I reach 60? Well, you can use your pattern to help you, or you can just add them up until you reach 60 to figure out that you would need 10 groups of 6's. Unit 4.4, multiplying by 6. Example A. I have 6 times 2. 2 groups of 6's is going to give us an answer of 12. Example B. 5 times 6. So our 6's come second in our problem, but we still are looking at 5 groups of 6's. So again, use your table, use your pattern, or just add 5 6's together to get an answer of 30. Unit 4.5, multiplying by 4 or 6. Here I have 5 groups of 4. 4.5, that's what that means. So if I were to add together 5 number 4's, I would end off with an answer of 20. Example B. 2 times what number equals 16? Well, if you've started multiplying these facts, then this should become easy. But if you need to, again, start adding your 2's together until you get to an answer of 16, you're going to have 8 2's.